If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
Hey Cufflinks fam, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I hope that you've been enjoying Vlogmas so far. Brian has been doing such a fantastic job with editing the videos and having them, you know, just ready for you all. So I hope you've been enjoying the journey so far in Vlogmas. Yes, we've been doing more shooting this month and we'll be continuing the shooting this month so that we can just provide you with content as much as we can, which is why we call it Vlogmas-ish. So it's not every single day, so we'll do it as much as we can. So I'm looking a little shine. I think I pat down my face a while ago because, you know, I was trying to get rid of some of the shine, but I've had a long day, a very long day of doing deliveries and all of that. So yes, I've been seeing all your messages of congratulations in relation to my book, my first children's book, The Adventures in Mannershill Valley. Thank you so very much for your support. Thank you to all of you who have bought your copy, whether locally or internationally. I really appreciate it. And all the details will be in the description if you want to grab a copy in time for Christmas for a little one in your life. I highly recommend it. So, you know, life as an author, oh my god, I can't believe I'm an author. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's been a long time coming. It was a long, tedious process, but so worth it. And I just feel like this is just another avenue for me to use my influence to just shine God's light and just, you know, use my influence to be able to positively impact others. And this time around, I'm focusing on children. And, you know, I'm just so grateful to God for another opportunity to just bless somebody. And I am grateful for your support as well. So thank you so much. It has been a wonderful journey so far. I'm going to show you guys some things that I got today. So I have an interview tomorrow on CVM at sunrise. I'm sure we'll have some footage from that to show you. So tomorrow I'll be giving 2 books to CVM to give away. And I ordered these cute bags on Amazon and I got them printed today. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? The light probably too bright. Let me see if yeah. So I got them printed. I got the book printed on the bag so I can put the book in there. And I'm going to put a nice little bow on it. So these are some bags that I got. I got the bags on Amazon and I got them printed in my black custom prints. So yeah, I'm excited about, you know, giving these to CVM. And then on Friday I'll have an interview on TVJ that's on Smile Jamaica, and I'll be bringing some of those as well. So I'll be putting the books inside them and then I'll be giving them away. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited about the interview. The girls will be coming with me tomorrow. Not sure about Friday, but they'll definitely be coming with me tomorrow. So yeah, I have just been busy. Oops, some jockwash. I've just been busy, but good busy. Especially, you know, I know Brian hinted at the fact that yeah, Brian and I are, and a whole school family are mourning the loss of an amazing teacher. Amazing. I can't talk too long about it because I don't want to start crying. I've been crying non-stop since Sunday, and you know, I don't want to start crying on camera. Okay? If I start crying on camera, it's not going to go out because I'm not going to put it out. But she was just amazing, and I'll just leave it at that. But thank you for your prayers, thank you for your well wishes as it relates to the book, and I hope to continue just bringing you along this process. I'm going to pack two of the bags, show you, like one already here. I'm going to pack two of the bags and show you guys what it's going to look like for CVM. So let me get the books. I'll come in. All right, so here we have the books. Beautiful, right? And of course, as you can guess, Bria and Bella. And inside, Brian is inside, guys. I'm in there too, you know, but Brian is inside, and I'm telling you, y'all need to buy the book to see Brian. Brian is like, them catch him good. The illustrator was excellent as it relates to getting Brian. So I have the bag and the book. I wanted to package it nicely. So for those of you who are asking, the book is available on Amazon. You just type in Adventures, The Adventures in Mannershill Valley. You just type that in and it will come up. It's $12.99 for the paperback, and $12.99 for the paperback, and it's available everywhere Amazon services. So the book here, I'm pushing it in. And you can also get it on Kindle. All right. So I don't want to crush up the top of the book. I don't want to crush it. All right. So here we have it. I'm just going to, so I have it like so. So I have the book in the bag, and then I'm going to put a bow on it. I bought some big bows because you know it's Christmas. I bought a big bow. So I'm going to put the bow on it. Got these big bows in Fontana. So I'm going to put these big bows on it. You see how big, oh my God, these bows are big. Oh Lord, this one big man. Let me say it big. Jesus, no one that costs so much. This is a big bow. Big and beautiful. Alright, this works. At least a team extra, you know. Hey baby. So I'm going to secure this bow, and then I'm going to attach it to the bag. I'm just gonna type. Yes, babes. Yes, see me here. Huh? I'm in the room. I'm in the room, Mama. Alright, I'm coming. They're about to eat, so they want company. Boy, I never know so this bowl big. Jeez. I never want it cover. Oh my gosh. The bowl is humongous. Alright, how am I gonna get it to stay on it without... Guys, look at help me. The bow is humongous. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get the bow on the bag without it. Alright, I'll figure it out. I'm gonna put it on it, and I'll figure it out off camera. I never know. No wonder it costs so much. Come here, I wonder how it costs so much, you know. It's a big bow, big pretty bow. I'll just put it on myself. Woo. Yeah. So yeah, that is it, the book. I am excited about being an author. I am excited to see what God has in store, and you know what's to come next. Packing the next book. What's to come next. And talking about what's coming next, a lot of things are happening. And I'm just so grateful to God. Just so grateful to God. So a lot of things are happening. And the next big thing that is happening is that I am now officially an actor. Yes, I'm now officially an actor. I can't believe it. So I'm used to seeing myself on screen in terms of social media, doing skits and all of that, and on television doing skits for commercials or appearing in commercials. But I've never appeared in, like, on screen in an actual official production like that. And I am very excited to let you guys know that I will be starring in a sitcom series that is to come on stream very, very soon. Yes, I'll be starring in a sitcom. Oh my gosh, we just had the screening. We had the screening for the sitcom earlier this week on Monday night, and just sitting and watching myself on screen, and I got you, actress. It was just so surreal. So I'm officially an actor. Yes, I have been working along with the Icon Media team, along with Oscar-nominated director Actresssss Nixon Kelly, and I'm excited. I am so excited. So you'll be hearing more about that and seeing some snippets from that night.
You see mommy? Yeah. Come, let's go. See mommy here?
As a team, we floated the general premise of the series to folks both here and abroad to get some reactions. People were enthralled by the idea and wondered if this was something that Jamaica would really support.
John Holmes, Malia Burke, and of course we're also going to welcome Actresssss to the stage as well. I think it's a little, it was heartwarming. It was full of very fun moments. Like, you know what I love about it, Actresssss? So, I'm okay, I can tell them this, right? So she gave me a sneak.
Each season, we're looking to do 10 episodes.
So let's answer the question in a different way. How many episodes? 10 episodes per season. Because we have similar personalities, after the initial awkwardness, because it was awkward at first, because we were hugging and Cecilia was like, man, I look like Brenda and sister. And I'm like, okay, all right. So I'm saying to Doctor, hug me up now. Hug me up. And he was like, okay. And he's barely. I'm like, Doctor, this don't look real. But after doing it a few times, we kind of got into it.
Hugging.
But for me, I think one of the most interesting parts, and it will play out in the rest of the season, was pretending like I don't like Marshall, because we're friends in real life. And so, after every take, we were like, we're so sorry. But it was so fun working with everyone. I mean, our neighbors, they just fit right in, and I think the entire cast, like, if you were on set, Uncle Roy, as you can see on screen, Uncle Roy is a true character.
They used to tell me that, you should save the best for last. So clearly, they did not get that memo. Usually I tell people that I'm just a girl who sits behind a computer and makes stuff up. But tonight I'm not going to say that. Tonight I'm going to say I'm the girl whose heart is really, really filled with a lot of gratitude. The fact that you're here when you could have been somewhere else tells me that you want to be here. I hope. Brian, I hope you are not dragged here by Basillia.
Not at all.
That you want to be here. So I am very, very grateful for you to take the time out your busy schedules to come and see what Icon Media has been doing and what Icon Media can do But a lot has been said about Icon Media, about our accolades, about the work that we have done. What I want to echo in this room is that Icon Media is a family. And we consider everybody that we work with family. Wentworth, my awesome husband, who photographed.
God has just been outdoing himself in this season, and I am so grateful. I'm so grateful. So yeah, lots to tell you, lots to catch up on, and I'll continue to catch you up on those things in more of our videos in Vlogmas. Yeah. I'm so excited. All right, so I finished back these 2 books. I'm gonna go and make sure that the girls eat because we have an early morning tomorrow for the interview. Yeah, love you guys. Watch out for the highlights or whatever else is to come after this. All right, love you. Bye.
If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.